Hey to the whole world. It is time to walk the walk and talk the talk of Java programming. Okay, we gotta write a method that sums all the numbers in the diagonal in an n by n matrix of double values using the following header. Okay. Write a test program that reads a 4 by 4 matrix and displays the sum of all its elements on the major diagonal. So here's a sample run. The sum is that, okay? Just so we clear, you guys, you see, after I'm done with this chapter, it's gonna take me a little while to continue with Java, right? By little while, of course, I'm referring to a week or two, right? It won't be more than that. And the reason for that is, you see, Java isn't the only language I'm working on, right? I've got tutorials on Python, I've got tutorials on Dart, which is used in Flutter as well, right? The fact of the matter is, it is ultimately the reason why I decided to do exercises on Flutter as well. It is because of its ability to be used in mobile app development. Okay, so enough of that. What I do want now is to create an exercise. Okay, oh guys, I decided not to waste your time on things like creating a project and then creating a class. Come on, even creating a scanner. Come on, creating a scanner is a no-brainer, you guys. So I thought, let me do it aside and then get back to you once I'm done. Okay, remember we are to sum elements in the major diagonal of a 4 by 4 matrix. I'll call it matrix double. Again, if you haven't seen the value of this tutorial or website, depending on where are you watching this video from, I can assure you, you will want to get into the fun stuff, which will begin in the next chapter, object-oriented programming, you guys. Okay, so what I want to do to start by prompting my user to enter a 4 by 4 matrix row by row. Okay, and I less than 4 is I, then I go I plus plus, and j is j less than 4, j plus plus. Okay, what else? Now I simply go matrix set I j. I'm populating my matrix here, you guys. Go scanner.next double. Now I'm good. I do have my matrix. Now display. Let me start by creating this method here, the one they asked us to. Okay, I'm gonna take care of it later. In the meantime, display sum. So I'll simply go system.out.printf. I'll just go sum of the elements in a measure diagonal is, let me go %1.1f, then I go to the next line. Okay, as for my arguments, I'll simply invoke the display the sum, that method, this one here, sum measure diagonals. I'll pass it matrix. Okay, now let's get to the core of this exercise, which is the implementation of this method here. This is gonna be something as simple as going double sum equals to 0, okay. One way of doing this will be to do that, and this is one way of doing this, you guys. Is I less than what? Matrix dot length I plus plus. Oh, right here it's called M, not matrix. Remember, this is a square matrix, so I can do that. Put a J there. If I is equals to J, then I'll go sum M at I J, and then finally I return sum. So now let's see. Again, there's a better way of doing this, and I'm gonna do it. Oh, I'll change this one here. Thing is, I wanna put precisely those numbers, the ones they use. Oh damn, I'm not sure if it's gonna let me do that. Oh really? Oh, the reason for this is because you see 4 should be replaced by 4.0 and 6.5 should be replaced by 4.5 instead of 6.5. Okay, no worries, you guys. You know what, the very first thing I want to do, I'll simply, I won't include the last part. Another thing is I want again this solution, then my method, this one here is inefficient, you guys. I'll show you the most efficient one. Let me use println there so that everything is gonna go to the next line. Oops, really? I thought I wasn't done. Why it does not let me? Fuck. Okay, have it your way then. So it's gonna be 3. Oh really? Thing is, I don't wanna go through the whole thing. Fuck, it seems like I'm gonna have to type it through. Damn. Who would have thought? Have it your way then. Let's see. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4,0. Then I go 5, 6,5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, then final 16. Now what we get? Gotta get 34.5. As you can see, you guys, we good. Of course, feel free to try different numbers. I can go 3, 6, 9, 2, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3. Oh, it has to be a 4x4, you guys. Damn. So how many numbers are short here? 4 numbers, 3 numbers are short, so it's gonna be 1, 1. See, now the problem is, oh, one last row. Damn, this one here will contain 4 numbers. I'm afraid this doesn't look as good as it's supposed to. That is actually my first row. That right there is my second row. That is my third row. And finally, that's my last row. Again, you guys, this thing works. So go 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so that's my first row. 2, 2, 2, 3. Finally 0. Boom, we're good. So it's 1 plus 2, which is 3, plus it's 1 plus 2, which is 3, plus 3, which is 6, plus 2, which is 8. So that's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. Cheers, I'm gone. Oh, before I leave you guys, it's better, I know I've been telling you that efficiency isn't my concern, you see, but right here I can get rid of that potion over there and then simply do that. So what's gonna happen there? Again, we will get a working solution. You see, this one here is more efficient than the one I gave you previously. As you can see, we have a working solution. We don't necessarily need to have a net stateful loop in this case. So try to have, my point here guys is try to have efficient solutions as much as you can. Okay, they are a good way to go. Cheers, you guys. I'm